to see you all here. Grabe, parang pangarap lang to. And now it's happening. Nakikita namin yung mga light stick. Bongga!
Oh my God, from the New Frontier Theater to the Big Dome. How crazy is that? Ang dami niyo!
Tsaka, nangyari siya. Kailan lang ba tayo nag-frontline theater?
Months ago!
Months ago!
Blooms and everyone, thank you for the love. You all brought us here. Guys, grabe. Ang bilis ng 1 year kasi alam nyo, it's been a year since we released a song that really got everyone dancing. And thank you sa mga nakijam, sa mga sumayaw sa songs namin. If you don't know what I'm talking about, well, I think you should know because this is our song, Pantropico!
Yes! Kaya naman lahat tayo sabay-sabay batiin ng Pantropico na Happy Anniversary!
Wow, grabe, isang taon lang yun. Sobrang daming nangyari. Sobrang daming nangyari. Siyempre, lahat lang yun dahil sa supporting ng lahat. Kaya maraming salamat po.
Yes, and while we are on a celebratory mode ngayong gabi, syempre, ipagdasal muna natin na sana kumina na yung bagyo at walang maraming maapektuhan. And of course, bigyan tayo ng lakas na harapin ang challenging time na ito. Kaya nagpapasalamat po kami sa lahat ng Blooms na bumiyahe kahit walang kasiguraduhan kung makakauwi po ba kayo agad. Thank you so much, Blooms!
Yes, we appreciate you guys for being here tonight. At maraming salamat po. Hayaan niyo kami pasaya. Pasayahin kayo lahat. Guys, that's right, Gwen. So tonight,